Alif Lam Mim Alif Lam Mim Alif Lam Mim Alif Lam Mim Halife Şahsani Sultan Çamandar Ali Şah Hüseyini Kadri Sarvari Ait Sidreya Kadriya Vasardakiya Kanvada Taplosi Guru Mukim Şahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim İlahi Bhagavati Kapsul Bhaktul Alamin Hakya Parvadiga Khalu Balaka Raja İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Aleyhi Hashimi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Ali İbn Talib Hashimi Karamallahu Wajhahu İlahi Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Junud Bambade Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Abdul Muhammad Yedin Yemani Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Chabul Fara Yusuf Kato Se Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Abul Hasan Ali Yetebati Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Sultan Abu Sayyid Mubarak Mazlum Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Mahbub Subhani Marshuk Rahmani Kamil İnsani Vacibul Makani Makbul Abdul Cani Mira Mezid Sheikh Sayyid Abdul Qadir Jilani Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Sayyid Nuruddin Shah Kadri Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Sayyid Tajuddin Abdul Razak Kadri Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi Kadri Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Sayyid Ali Wali Shah Kadri Kudus Sallallahu Aleyhi İlahi Bhagavati Radhu Niyaz Hazrat Sayyid Masum Shah Kadri Kudus Sallallahu